For this weekend, we have the new Nissan Serena S Hybrid, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to take my family and friends in this very comfortable MPV for an outing. And our destination for this episode is Kuala Selangor. So, let's go! Today's ride is the Nissan Serena 2.0 Premium Highway Star. This is a full-sized MPV with elegant looks and all the space that you need for you and your family. This new Serena is now equipped with Nissan Mobility technologies, or what we know as Advanced Driving Assistance Systems. The Serena has a well-proven 2-liter engine that features continuous variable valve control, and paired to Nissan's Xtronic CVT, it has just the right balance between power and fuel economy. Inside, you get a full 7-seater arrangement clad in soft and luxurious Nappa leather with countless permutations for space utilization according to your needs. And the hands-free dual-powered sliding doors are great features, not to mention the rear glass door that has an additional opening that allows easy stowing of items without having to open the entire rear door. Okay, are we all set? Hey guys, we are on the way to Kuala Selangor, man.
Yeah!
So, what shall we have for lunch? Anybody know where to go?
Wait, I heard we have something nice.
I heard there's a crab slab, prawn slab, fish slab.
Oh yeah, Kuala Selangor is famous for that.
Looking forward for this lovely lunch.
Oh, the pickup's good, huh?
Yeah. It's a 2-liter, enough power lah, enough. And it's actually quite economical to run because it's got an S Hybrid system that, it's also got lane departure warning. So if a car is beside you in a blind spot, there's blind spot warning, there's lane departure warning. There's also in front, if there's a car, you don't brake, it will warn you, and if you still don't brake, it will brake for you.
That's good.
So these are the safety features. Yeah.
It's very safe.
So it has cameras outside, I suppose?
I think it uses radar. Yeah.
Oh, radar.
Yeah. The windows are quite big, right?
Yeah.
So you can see out.
Very good view.
But outside can see you also, no? Oh yeah, this two-tone interior comes with Nappa leather. So Nappa leather is one of the higher quality leathers. So it's very nice and soft. Yeah. Feel, yeah.
Is this a monitor?
Yeah, it's for you to play your video. A lot of my friends who have this car really love it. No? So it's not about the power, but about the comfort and the carrying capacity and the fuel economy.
There's a
Oh, there's a
tray
tray.
here.
Yes.
Aeroplane tray.
Yes.
Tray.
They even
And then
have
there's a
a
drink.
drink holder.
You can put your McDonald's there. I think there are a lot of USB ports all over the place.
Hey, how nice, huh? This car go to Penang. Oh, yeah.
So nice.
Yeah, man, this car going to Penang will be really good.
Where?
Today, lah.
Good.
Kuala Selangor is one of the hidden gems in Malaysia and is located just 1 hour north of Kuala Lumpur. Don't forget to go browse the shops that are selling dried seafood such as ikan bilis, dried prawns, salted fish and other sea products. Go for the satay fish and the prawn and fish crackers. You can spend an entire day here with your family, visiting the rice paddies and fruit farms, and enjoy a lovely seafood meal at any of the many seafood restaurants here. Food prices are reasonable too. Okay guys, in case you're wondering where this place is, this is actually a very nice restaurant that I found purely by accident. It's actually in Pasir Penambang in the Kuala Selangor seafood area that you know. And one day we came here, Wendy and I, and we found that the normal shop was like packed, you know, and because of the situation, we didn't want to go to a place that was full of people. So we looked around and we saw this place. It's actually on in the inside of a hotel called Shore, and this place is called KS, which is a little bit different from YS, so I got no share here. Anyway, the food here is really great, and the view, wow, it's so wonderful, man. And what I like about this place is that it's clean and it's very nice and airy. So the food, first class. Right guys, we've come to the end of our episode. If you like what we are doing, do let us know in the comments below, and also let us know where you want us to go next time. So guys, till then, bye!